Alright guys, so we are going to solve number 1 from this kinematic quiz. So always start with knowns and unknowns. In this case I'm going to skip drawing your picture just so we can get to knowns and unknowns. Alright, so in a landing, a jet plane decelerates uniformly and comes to a stop. So if it's decelerating, that means it must have an initial velocity. We don't know that, but it does come to a stop. So its final velocity is equal to 0. Good. It says in 38 seconds, so its time is 38, and then it also covers a distance of 1,500 meters. Okay, so now here you have to pick equations, right? So from the 4 equations that you have to find which one will involve both final velocity, time, distance, and also what we're trying to find. And what we're trying to find, it says, what was the jet's landing speed when it first touched the runway? So landing speed essentially gives us a velocity. We already know the final velocity is 0, so what we must be looking for is initial velocity. So initial velocity, what is that? Okay, good. So the equation you could use here that gives you initial velocity, final velocity, time, and distance is distance is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2 times time. So distance here is 1,500. Is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2, and putting in the numbers for that would be, so final velocity is 0, plus the initial velocity, which we don't know what that is, all of that divided by 2 times 38 seconds. Okay, so solving from here, we got to get this term by itself, so divide by 38, divide by 38, and you're left with 39, so 39.47 is equal to 0 plus vi divided by 2. Anything plus 0 is just the number itself, so we can essentially leave this as 39.47 is equal to vi over 2. So here you get vi over 2, and then just multiply 2 to the other side. 39 is 78.9 meters per second, will equal your initial velocity.